All right, so this exercise we're going to train the rear delts using a rear delt or chest fly machine. And there's a way that I like to do this that I don't see a lot of people doing. And I like to actually sit at the back of the seat, and then from there I take my chest and have it touching the pad. And then I want to make sure that in terms of my seat position, I want to make sure the handles are about 90 degrees from my torso. And then from there, it's simple. Just go all the way back, all the way forward, all the way back, all the way forward. So if you're in the wrong position, or if you sit like this, a lot of the times what ends up happening is you feel a squeeze in the center of your back, but you don't have to feel your delts at all. So the way that I get to target my delts a little bit more, I just take a seat back, and then from there, I simply think about contracting my rear delts, and this is just a much better biomechanical position for myself. So try it out, experiment, we're all different, and see if that helps you build some nice strong delts.